Good morning, YouTube. We are headed over to a little town called Sayville here in Long Island, or on Long Island. I went out there day before yesterday, and condemned the compressor. It has an open winding, so I hooked up my hoses to it. Nothing smelled burnt, so that was a good thing. So it's a little lennox 1.5 system we had installed in 2007, so the compressor is still under warranty. So basically that's it. I'll take you guys along for the ride and see how it goes. So this lennox condensing unit was kind of the first of this design for lennox. Everybody knows, lennox with their kind of cube-looking units. They were always taller than a ream. But the HS26s, 27s, even the 29s were the little tower-looking units, but they were always, not always, but for the most part, the last 20 years or so previous to this unit were the light tan color. Previous to that, they were the dark brown. But these HS26s and 29s were great to work on. I mean, you open up the one panel and there was the compressor, there was all your controls. So as far as the service guy, they were nice to work on. And then back in late 2006, I believe, is when it happened. They changed to this XC13 style unit. So they changed color, they changed the way the unit looked, they added louvered panels all the way around the unit, and I made a joke at one of the Lennox training classes about them looking more like a train than they did a Lennox. To then find out from the instructor that Lennox, the year previous, had just hired an ex-train unit designer. So I just think it's funny that, Lennox pulled a train designer and now they look more like a train. I mean, even their new, XC25, their 25-seer variable refrigerant flow unit, even the XC21s look like a train just color-wise. That kind of greenish color with the black top, and it just, I find it funny. I don't know about you guys, but that tickled my funny bone. Anyway, I got some more driving to do. When we get there, we'll see if we can set up and get some footage changing the compressor. You guys have all changed compressors before, but heck, we'll run through it. So, nice house. All set up and recovering the charge. XC13 018 230 01 installed in 2007.
are done popping the compressor in. Switched from the testers to the eye manifold because I want to get this thing dialed in. I want to see what it's doing inside as far as the temperatures are concerned. So right now we just got the pump on it. We got it into a vacuum, letting it go for a bit. So we will touch back in a second and hopefully have this thing start adding some juice back into it and see how we do. Alright guys, we're all done here. Basically this is what I'm looking at. I couldn't get the air slide stuff because those was too far away. So I was having an issue with connecting. So my target subcooling today is only 3. Superheated, that's not, I didn't even do that. Lennox doesn't even give you the target superheat or anything for anything. I don't have anything hooked up air-wise for it to even calculate any of that. So my outdoor ambient's only 64 degrees, so I was set up for 3 degrees superheat, so I'm happy with that. Everything's all well and good. It did not pop the breaker when we turned it on. That one did. It kept popping and popping and popping. But what was weird was I did not find anything short at the ground, but I did find an open winding. So I don't know. Nevertheless, we are good to go. Right now, the homeowner's dad just shut everything off, hence why it got so quiet. Now I get to clean up this disaster area and move on to the next call. Alright guys, if you like this channel, please subscribe over here. And if you want to follow me on Google+, click over here on the link. Other than that, I will catch you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.
And sit down.